Hey guys, it's Hazeltail and I'm here with another shoe video for you. These are black combat boots that I got from JustFab.com. They have a lot of similar ones. I couldn't tell if they still had these exact ones on the website. But they have a buckle on the side. But you don't need to adjust the buckle because it has a zipper going down the side of your foot on the inside. These don't have much of a heel, maybe an inch or something. I can walk in them super easily. I think anyone could. They're comfortable and they have that comboot, and they look like they have that kind of combat look to the sole of the shoe. They also have laces, but you don't need to tie them, obviously, because of the zipper. And that's it. I hope you guys liked the video. I know I haven't been active lately, but I'm trying to get back into it. Anyway, I love you guys, and thank you for watching. Bye!